Well, welcome to another video. We're going to just continue finishing off more of this. Should be pretty good. There's one thing that I wanted to get taken care of. So we have, I'm going to do one more track. As you can see, I have some track out here. And it's going to, over here, there'll be some turnouts. There'll be multiple rows of tracks here. One of them I wanted for the train, the locomotive shop, to be able to, I'd like it to be straddling the track. It would make sense to have a train, a locomotive go in, you know? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redesign this a little bit. I'm going to remove some doors, make it so that it's a, oh, what's going on over there? I may have to have I may still need a track cleanup, I guess. Why don't you guys just hold up for a minute, okay? So I'm going to first redesign this. Just because it's something I want to do in the next step. So we'll get that and we'll start laying some track down for the second set of tracks. There'll be a separate controller. I also, at some point, I need to get these mounted, get this wire out here so you don't see it, and probably have a control panel underneath that I think I'll have it so it pulls out, so you can be like total control from this spot. So that's what we're going to do. So the first thing is let's get some doors into this train shop, locomotive shop. Okay, so I've set a track, and I'm trying to make sure I get this on, because the track obviously has to be able to fit in there and the train. Okay, it looks like that's on. So I've already cut one door out right there. Moment of truth, now that I've ruined a $40 building. It hits right there already. So I have two options. One is just I can put the building up on blocks, which I'll probably do, or I can cut this up higher. I don't want to do that though. I don't want to cut it up higher. And the doors did not come off easily. For some reason they glued them. So I ended up cutting off the top part of this. I'll just clean that up. And my intent is, I think I'll reuse them. I'll just glue them like this so they're in the open position. Something like that to look more realistic. I think it would have to be up anyway because it has to clear the track. So I think I'm in good shape. All right, so I'll cut out, I haven't cut out the back one yet. I'll cut that out. And I will cut it out on the same side of the building. I'm not going to cut this side out. Well, all right, so this door's been chopped up a little bit. I'm going to clean that off across there, and I'll make this one match it. Get the outside part. I don't know if I mentioned, I think I did, but they've designed in a couple of handles, one on each door, to simulate pulling the doors open. So I think we're correct in doing that. What have I got? Let's start with these things. I cut that down to even it up. Railroad debris. What, you suppose we can dump that in some junk pile out in the middle of the track layout. I think that's how a lot of the old-time railroads did stuff. They just make a big pile of junk. So that's one set of doors. Now for the other side. Across here, so it's this one. Sure is a better way to, well, maybe, how was that? I just took a hacksaw and cut right down through there. This is a weaker, more flexible spot, so it's a little bit harder to cut on this side. Okay. Okay. I broke one of these. This should come apart. This may be the back, okay, back out of sight door. I don't know. So I've got to even it up across there. Then I can glue them on. So I guess in gluing them on, I wonder if we want them straight like that, or would it be more casual looking if they're just kind of laid back like that? They probably had some sort of a stop so that it would only come back in the middle to that point. This one perhaps could go all the way back. So I have set the shop on some just block wood, so it's nice and flat. I got these all ready to place on here. I'm actually mounting the doors backwards because it'll hide the glue in there. But I found that a Q-tip using Gorilla Glue can place the adhesive, the cement, the glue, whatever it is, more accurately than trying to squirt it out. So let's start with this door. A little dab will do ya. That's interesting. That's hardened inside. And I put that block of wood there. It should make it sit level. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, now it's perfect. Steady. I'm not good with small objects. Okay. And now let go. Wow. That's interesting. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a hardened surface in there. Okay. We'll give that a few hours to dry. Good. Okay. We'll leave that alone, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side. That one may be a little harder because it's further up in the air. We'll figure something out. Okay, I let this set on these doors overnight. And it looks like the glue came through a little bit. Not much. Okay, I don't know how it did that. I guess it expands a little. Let's go set it on the track and have a train go through it. The moment of truth. So I like the way the doors look. I guess I knew that it was going to hit. So I did cut some supports to bring up the height. I think these are even too thick. I have some thinner material. I just wanted to try this. Let's see, I know it'll go through now. Whoop. Yeah, that's much better. So I'll probably paint these some sort of a gray or something. I think it would match the trim better. I don't think I'll have it match the orangish red there. Good. That part done. Now where to put it. I've got this all set. So now it's time. We're going to start some track. We're going to start over here. We're going to make the rail yard and start putting a couple of buildings on anyway and get the track layout. So let's go over here and start doing that. I have been looking at a lot of rail yard layouts, and I think it's really helped me a lot. I think I know what I'm going to do. Over on the back here, there'll be a track coming in that will actually be in a tunnel, and it'll come out over here somewhere. I'm still debating with that tunnel whether to make it railroad or to make it a car, because I think I would like to have some buildings here that are for like maybe a diner or something for the workers and so on. And then a track coming all the way around the outside, and then tracks on the inside with switching, with turnouts. So let's move these, see what we got. I have miscellaneous track here, or miscellaneous, it's all the same stuff, to start. I'm just going to lay them in place for now. I also picked up some turnouts that I need. I need probably a dozen of these more, but I'm thinking right there is going to be where the first turnout is. So let me just set a track here. So this will be in a tunnel. I kind of like this out in the open where it switches. So I might do that. And then there'll be a track. I like this track. It's pretty easy to work with, relatively. So one there. I feel like Superman, right? And again, this is just going to outline the outside of the rail yard. Kind of like that. And then let's see. So I really want to use that for a road to come in to this area. So maybe I'll put that. I might do that in a different spot. Not sure. I spent quite a bit of time laying this out, just trying to get a good feel for where everything was going to go, and I think I feel pretty good about it. So I want to just I have to take all the track back off, but right here I'll have a turnout that will run over to that turnout, and then it will extend around here a little, and that next track over will extend a little down through there. So I've used 4 turnouts in this. I don't have any more. Currently, I don't think I need any more to do what I want to do. Well, there you have it. This interior layout is complete all the way around, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 turnouts. I'm missing some track. I don't have enough. I need at least 1, 2 more. But that works really well. So now I can have a road that will come and cross the tracks there, and probably head over that way, so I can do a lot of housing down the road, literally down the road. I'm picturing the Loco shop down here somewhere with that track. I need to leave room for that track. Interesting. I may have to redesign that a little bit. But also, I was picturing the train station like right here with a waiting area kind of thing. Probably like a restaurant or something would go good somewhere in here. Kind of a diner. Oh, this is getting fun. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and share it. And watch it again. See you later.